It's no big secret that all of us like having a well-maintained lawn or recreational property. In years past, tackling this chore involved many unique, expensive tools of the trade. I'm proud to say that STIHL has changed the way we think about outdoor power tools with the introduction of their KombiSystem. Whether you want to trim lawn edges, sweep open spaces, prune up trees, or blow leaves, wherever there is work to be done, you can now do it all with just one machine. The practical quick-release coupling lets you change the Kombi tool in next to no time flat. Simply loosen the release handle, slide out the Kombi tool you just finished with, then slide in and tighten down the next attachment, and you're ready to start work again. The big benefit about the KombiSystem is that it allows you to choose from 13 different attachments, like a straight shaft mowing head, soil cultivator, power sweep, all the way to a leaf blower, and just about anything in between.